IoT based MyKad Malaysian IC reader. Just insert the card, the system will automatically detect and read your MyKad. No need to open any software, no need to press any button, everything is fully automatic. And after some wait, then first you will have the files being exported, stored in your computer. In these folders, you can have both files, the data and also the photo of that IC. Or if you want, you can have a HTML page or JSON with the photo and also the data of the IC. And you can choose to let it email to you, email to you with attachments. Or you can have it upload the files to your Google Drive, or you can have it to upload to your FTP server or web server using PHP. So that's all. A demo for this IoT MyKad IC reader.